Good afternoon, children. So, in the previous class of microorganism, you have studied about harmful microorganism, friendly microorganism, and how we are living the life along with the microorganism. You have studied, etc., etc. You have studied. So, have you all gone through your textbook? When you are going through textbook, then only you can follow further lesson. Otherwise, it is not possible, children. You are all good children now. So, all of you go through your textbook, sit and read. Then only it is possible, because very shortly we are going to announce a test timetable, children. So, by the time you have to write no simple question I am going to ask you. So, following that one, no, you can do the test very well. So, that is why you are all very good children. St.Anthony children means very good. So, all of you go through it. Now, I am taking the class. So, today let us study about related to microorganism only. So, here harmful microorganism we are going to study the beginning. Then continuity. So, nitrogen cycle also I am going to teach you very simple. So, okay, what are harmful microorganisms? What are those harmful microorganisms. So repeat, children. Along with me, if you repeat, you are getting it easy to pronounce it. See, this harmful microorganism, call it as pathogen. What do you call this? Pathogen. ಈ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪೆಥೋಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. These pathogen, okay, microorganism harmful in many ways, causes many diseases. Even for the plants also it affects. So not only the human being, plants, animals, for everything this is very harmful microorganism. So these harmful microorganisms, we call them as pathogen. So what do we call them? This pathogen. What way it will be harmful? Diseases causing the microorganism in humans. Pathogens enter our body. What way pathogen? Pathogen means harmful microorganism. How does it enter to our body? ಹೇಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು? ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? Some harmful microorganism enter into your body, it causes a disease. How it will be? Maybe through air. ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಎಂಟಿದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಬಿ ವಾಟರ್. I write H2O. You know, you are all seven. Through water, through stale food, ಕೊಳೆತ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಯಾವುದೋ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. So in this way it causes diseases. Not only that one. Some your friend may be having a fever. By the time very closely you are talking, by the time through his respiratory system, so you are getting. So this is the way pathogen enter to your body. What are pathogen? That is a harmful microorganism causes diseases. Follow it up. What way you are getting pathogen enter into your body? Maybe air, maybe food, maybe water, maybe with your surroundings, friends and neighbors and somebody else, maybe shopkeeper. We don't know. Try to avoid all these things. So maybe weather may not be good by the time, so you may get. So pathogen enter into your body different ways. So the next we pass on to carriers. So even not only that one. So even you are getting pathogen enter through the food means some mosquitoes. You know mosquitoes. What is that mosquito? You know, Anopheles. So female Anopheles and eggs. Female anopheles. Female anopheles. ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು anopheles. What is the spelling of anopheles? What is that? Anopheles. Anopheles. Female anopheles. That is one mosquito. Mosquito name. Mosquito name. Not only that one, another one, female AIDS. AIDS. Pronounce it. This is also both are mosquitoes sitting on the food. So through that also you are getting diseases. Cholera you are getting, malaria you are getting. All these things. Which are the mosquitoes? These names are very important, children. This pathogen created through the female anopheles. So it is a very famous name of the mosquito. You are getting that will be injected to your body by the time you are causes a diseases. How do you get? Sometimes it is sitting on the bad things and all that comes on your body by the time you are getting. So toilet ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So through this is also another way of pathogen enter to your body. This is also one of the carriers. What do we call this one? Carriers. ಹರಡೋದವ್ರಿಗೆ carriers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Who are the carriers? Female anopheles and female AIDS. Female AIDS. So spelling you see AIDS. AIDS. So this is also name of the mosquito. So these two are the carriers. Once again, these are also carriers only. Air, water, and food. Okay. In this way, harmful microorganisms causes diseases. We have to avoid all these things. Then only it is possible to protect ourselves. Okay, children? Okay? So, next, we'll see, they have given in your book, see here, children. See, I will show you. Page number 24. They have given the table, different diseases. So, see here, you go through it. So, this page you go through it, this table. So, all I pronounced, tuberculosis is there, which virus, name, so all columns. All the children you go through it. No need to read by me, because another thing I will explain to you, children. Okay? So, this is the table. They have given tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox, polio, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis C, malaria. All these things they have given. How do you get also they are getting? What is the treatment also they have mentioned? You go through, children. So the next will pass on to diseases causing microorganism in animals. So diseases causes microorganisms in animals. So in animals and plants, not only microorganism causes diseases, plants and human beings, even the animals also getting, especially by the cattle. So usually most of the animals getting mouth diseases. Most of the animals getting mouth diseases. That how do they get? By the cattle. Cattle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಸುಗಳಿಂದ ಅದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So next we'll pass on to diseases causing microorganism by plants. So even in the plants also getting so many diseases. You know, potato and cabbage and other things are all spoiled through the microorganism. Why is through the chemicals? How do they get plants? Chemicals causes diseases in the plant. Why is in the manure chemicals will be there. It may be more, it may be less, and it causes it develops harmful microorganism. By the time the plants will be spoiled. How do they plants get spoiled? Through the chemicals. Farmer put the chemicals to the soil. By the time develops a harmful microorganism, plants will be spoiled. Okay, children? Is it clear? Okay. So the next will pass on to food preservation. What is that? Food preservation. Very important. Because in our day-to-day life, without food we cannot live. It gives us energy. It gives Preservation. What see, point wise they have given in your book. Just I will explain within 5 minutes. So you know everything. And myself, it is not necessary. In your day-to-day life, your mommy preserve food for you in many ways. So that is only they have given in your book. That I will repeat. Food preservation. So how to preserve food preservation? So chemical method. Chemical method is one of the method. What is that? Chemical method. Chemical method is nothing but we are using salt and oil. We are preserving the food. If you put salt, under salt, meat, fish, everything, if you preserve it, the fish won't be spoiled, meat won't be spoiled. Under oil also, you know, for the pickles, we are putting oil. Long time pickle we are using. You see, in the shops, you are bringing a pickle bottle. At the top, full of oil will be there. So it won't be spoiled at all. This is one of the method. And also some food we are preserving under cold. You know, refrigerator we are keeping. Even in the water, if you keep inside and if you don't have refrigerator, so under the water also you can preserve. So that is also safety for you. And also some food we are keeping under the sugar solution. You know sugar solution. Have you seen a jelly you are eating and jam you are eating and liquid you are drinking, so many drinks, all these under sugar. That is why that is also won't be spoiled and won't be spoiled. Oil, sugar and cold. So in this way we are preserving. Other than that also vinegar, heat and cold, and also storage, packing. So you know dry fruits, they tightly they packed and give it to you. Dry fruits you are bringing, drakshi, godambi, ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. So ಅದನ್ನ tight cover ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Why means without air it won't be spoiled. We should not enter air inside the cover. So then tightly we are packing up. So it will be safety for you. So next, nitrogen fixation. So they have given in your book. So all of you go through it. Food preservation. These are the methods they have given. I told you, I summarized it. So nitrogen fixation. What is nitrogen fixation? See, in the atmosphere, nitrogen, you know, different gases are there. Carbon dioxide is there, oxygen is there, nitrogen is there. Other than that also, little is there. But percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere more. That is 78%, children. That is 78% of nitrogen. 78% nitrogen, children. See, remaining how much is there? 22% oxygen, carbon dioxide. Remaining thing will be there. See, the percentage is 78 nitrogen. Nitrogen helps to plant grow very well. Like oxygen. Without oxygen, can we live, children? No. Like that, without nitrogen, no root won't be developed. In the soil, nitrogen percent should be more. That is, we call it as rhizobium. What do we call that one? Rhizobium. What do you call, children? Rhizobium. It is in the root. It absorbs nitrogen in the atmosphere. It helps to grow the plant. That is nitrogen fixation. Okay? Which is the, it is in the root. That part we call it as nodules. That part we call it as what? Nodules. Nodules are nodules. So both are correct pronunciation. Okay, children? So that nodules we call it as rhizobium. This rhizobium develops nitrogen in the root. So in the, you know, kadlekai, genesu, and other thing and all we are growing inside the soil, This rhizobium helps to grow, and also out of that, even we are eating that nitrogen to our body. It gives us energy. ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋದು. ಮೂಲಂಗಿ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, nitrogen percentage will be there in your body. Even not only you people, even nitrogen development will be in the leaf also. Animals are eating leaf. Okay, through that nitrogen enter to animals body. ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ is very essential in your body. Your question is, how does nitrogen is in the atmosphere? Don't you have a question? It is a cycle. It is a nitrogen cycle. See, now we are swallow oxygen, inhale oxygen, taking oxygen, carbon dioxide we are living, isn't it, children? Directly from the atmosphere we are taking the oxygen, isn't it? But plants never take nitrogen directly to soil. There are some bacteria out there, microorganisms are there. Those absorbs nitrogen that will be converted into different components that helpful to grow of the plant. Plant never take nitrogen directly like as oxygen. ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇಂದಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗಳು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ nitrogen from the atmosphere that will be converted into different components that converted into nitrogen that absorbs by the plant through the soil. Then only nitrogen helpful to plant. Those plants eaten by animals, so that nitrogen enter into animals. We are eating the things growing under the earth, but animals how do they eat? But they eat the plants, so nitrogen helpful. So this is the cycle. So how the nitrogen is there in the atmosphere? Some of the plants and animals and die after some time. So that will be in the earth. So that microorganism converts into nitrogen that leads to atmosphere. ಅದು ಸತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಸತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಡದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ಸ್ಪಾಯಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಟು ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ components converted into atmosphere. Once again that is used by the plants. So once again that spoils. So once again converted into nitrogen. This is the cycle given in your textbook. So you try to read and try to understand. You have to draw that cycle. How does it? Okay children, this is the way nitrogen cycle also given in your book. So under nitrogen fixation, how does it nitrogen fix rhizobium, that is the nodules under the root. The next nitrogen cycle, how does it? So in the atmosphere, what the nitrogen is there, it is not absorbed by the plant. Some bacteria in the soil that absorbs the nitrogen that help to grow the plant. So that plant eaten by the animals. So nitrogen even is there with the animals also through the food. So next plants and animals die. So that converted through the microorganisms converted into nitrogen that goes to atmosphere. This is the cycle is going on under the nitrogen fixation. Have you followed children? So try your level best to go through the book. I brief the matter very clearly. If you don't understand, repeat the video and try to understand. If you don't understand after coming to the school, we try our level best to make you understand. And also one more thing, we are sending you notes and some of the figures also you have to enter into your record going to be given in the to school. So those who have taken the textbook, you come and collect with the Prabha Miss. We are mentioning the figure number you have to draw and explain right side. That note we are giving to you children. So have a nice time. So study well. So come to next class. Bye bye children.